Hello everyone! Welcome back again to our channel. Now for today's video, I am going to be reviewing an e.l.f. product. This is it. This is their e.l.f. dual-sided silicone blender, and this is the product. It's pretty interesting because this silicone blender has two sides, the silicone part and this fabric flocked, as the description box said, it's called a flock side. It's really interesting, guys. I'm really excited for you guys to see how this thing worked. And yeah, that's gonna be what this video is about. It's about that silicone blender, dual-sided silicone blender right there. If you wanted to see my thoughts and my reviews about the dual-sided silicone blender by e.l.f., just keep on watching. Punas natin luha natin. Punas. Punas. Ganda. Smile na yan. Okay, so this is it. This is the silicone, dual-sided silicone blender. Now, I have no idea what this is for because it's velvety. And this is the silicone side. I've actually never tried the silicone sponge thingy ever since it went shebang on the beauty community, so I'm really not familiar with this. Okay, so it says a great perfect product application with this easy clean silicone blender, all while using less product. The smooth silicone side applies product for a flawless look with a minimum product waste and better hygiene. The flocked side perfectly blends makeup for an airbrush look. Oh, airbrush look. Directions. Apply half of your usual amount of liquid product directly to the silicone blender, meaning the foundation in here. Gently swipe across face, then bounce silicone blender to even out application. Use the flocked side to buff to perfection. Ooh. So it says that this side right here creates a airbrush look, and we're about to see what that means. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation today because I'm feeling a little cute. Let's do this. It says swipe though, not buff. Okay, so we're gonna swipe because that's what it says. Okay, I'm not liking this. Look at that. What is happening with the world, e.l.f.? And I'm not gonna swipe because swiping doesn't work. This is not right at all. Like, this is not cute. Okay, I must say right off the bat, I am not a fan. Okay, and then let's try the other side. This side right here. You know, this side isn't so bad. Like, I'd rather have this side than the silicone side. Kinda does kind of blur your foundation, like in a nice way. I like that. But the silicone though, no, girl, no. Because it says swipe. But when you swipe, it gives me nothing but streaks. See? I look like I'm joking right here, but this is actually me being serious right now. You have no idea what I had to go through to make this perfect wing just for this try-on review. And I look like I'm joking right here. Oh my gosh, this is the worst silicone sponge ever. My nose looks horrible, but I love this flock side. It's so good. Like, it really does blur your foundation. So nice. So I'm gonna be back and I'm going to finish my look and give you my final thoughts. This is a quick review, so yeah. We are back, and for our final thoughts for this dual-sided silicone blender by e.l.f. I really love the flock side. It's really bomb. I feel like it's a game changer. I don't know why I don't remember any YouTuber had talked about this yet, but it's really good. It does blur out your foundation in the best way. Like, it does give you that airbrushed look. It did achieve what it's supposed to achieve, which was in the description box. And I really thought it was gonna be a flop because I really thought it was gonna suck in a lot of foundation, or the foundation would get transferred in here and you would be patchy right there. No, it really doesn't. Even if you swipe it or buff it, either way, it's just blurring your foundation. It really does make your foundation look cute. Now, as for the silicone side, I am not loving this. I am not living for this one because the connection between the two, there's an indentation right there, which kind of creates like a bad situation for the foundation itself and while you're blending the product onto your skin, because the foundation gets stuck in there. And then once you blend it, even if you do this trick right here on how to blend it like that, the foundation still gets stuck in there at that tip. And then once you blend it, you then are gonna transfer a pile of foundation onto your under eye area, which is gonna be harder to blend. It's like a line of foundation right there, which is not looking cute at all. So that's why I don't recommend this one right here. But I mean, you can't get the other side without the other. So I recommend this product for the sole purpose of the flax side. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't followed me on my social media accounts, that is all Leanne Jarrell. And I created a Facebook page, Leanne Jarrell XOXO. Instagram is Leanne Jarrell. Snapchat is Leanne Jarrell. Although I don't use Snapchat anymore. I just, after the update, it's just like wacky in there. It's like I don't even know how to make it work anymore. Like, I feel like that technology is for 2050 and we're just in 2018 and Snapchat's already there. You know, we're already left behind. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and me and Olivia will see you on our next video.